Hello students, in this video we discuss the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. Students, alpha, beta and gamma हम अपनी previous video में discuss कर चुके हैं. What is alpha? Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion and beta is the coefficient of superficial expansion and gamma is the coefficient of cubical expansion. Clear ना? So for this let us consider a square sheet and or a cube of unit length since unit side. Let the temperature of this sheet increased by unity, this means by delta t, due to which its length increased by delta t, delta L sorry. This means ये शीट या हम एक क्यूब कंसिडर कर सकते हैं जिसकी साइड कितना है 1 मीटर क्यूब 1 मीटर सॉरी. सो एरिया कितना हो जाएगा 1 मीटर स्क्वायर क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया एंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इज 1 मीटर क्यूब. क्लियर ना? यूनिटी. दिस मींस अगर हम दोनों का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करते हैं बाय डेल्टा T इक्वल्स टू 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस, then the increase in area of this sheet is delta I हमने कंसिडर किया and this volume is delta V. Clear ना? And the side increase in side is delta L. Clear ना? So for this the coefficient of linear expansion alpha is equals to, we know that delta L upon L delta T. So according to this L initial length, this means 1 meter and delta T is also 1. So alpha is equals to delta L. What is delta L? Delta is the increase in length. So if delta is the increase in length, so new length L dash is equals to L plus delta L. This means initial length plus increment in length. L plus delta L. L is equals to 1, initial length 1, unity, and delta L is equals to alpha. So new length is equals to 1 plus alpha. So new area is equals to, so area of sheet, square sheet means side is square. So new side is 1 plus alpha, so 1 plus alpha square, and A dash equals to 1 plus alpha square plus 2 alpha. As alpha is small, so we neglect alpha square. So A dash equals to 1 plus 2 alpha. Now change in area. This is initial area of this sheet, and this is final area. So change in area or increase in area A dash minus 8 is equals to 1 plus 2 alpha minus 1. So delta is equals to 2 alpha. This is the increase in area. Now the coefficient of superficial expansion beta is equals to change in area upon initial area into change in temperature or increase in temperature. So beta is equals to delta A upon A delta T, and delta A is equals to 2 alpha. So 2 alpha upon 1 into 1. This is not alpha, this is 1 cross 1 multiplication. 1 initial area 1 meter square and delta T is also 1 degree Celsius. So beta is equals to 2 alpha. This is the relation between superficial expansion and linear expansion. Clear? Now again, as we know that the new side or new length of this cube or this metal sheet is equals to 1 plus alpha. So the new volume is 1 plus alpha cube. So V dash is equals to 1 plus alpha cube plus 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha, because we know that A plus B whole cube is equals to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So according to this, we open this series. As alpha is small, so neglect alpha square and 3 alpha. This means alpha cube वाली जो टर्म्स है उनको हम neglect कर देंगे. Thus the new volume V dash is equals to 1 plus 3 alpha. This is the new volume of the cube. Then this is the new volume of the cube. Now we discuss about the change in volume. So change in volume. So change in volume delta V is equals to V dash minus V. This means final volume minus original volume. So 1 plus 3 alpha minus 1. This means 3 alpha. Delta V is equals to 3 alpha because initial volume is equals to 1. Now the coefficient of cubical expansion gamma is equals to change in volume upon or increase in volume upon original volume into change in temperature. So 3 alpha upon initial volume is 1 and temperature difference is also 1 degree Celsius. So gamma is equals to 3 alpha. Clear? This is the relation between coefficient of volume expansion or cubical expansion and coefficient of linear expansion, and overall relation between alpha and beta and gamma is given as alpha upon 1 is equals to beta upon 2 is equals to gamma upon 3. This is the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. Clear? Thank you.